Hi, I'm Shauna Riggers, Managing Attorney at Arizona Family Law Attorneys. Arizona is often referred to as a 50-50 or community property state. This means that most property or money earned during a marriage will be equally divided between the parties. Of course, every situation is different, and it's important that you seek individualized legal advice from a licensed Arizona attorney. Many factors contribute to whether an uneven division of property would be equitable, including debts assigned to one person or the other, and whether there was any wasteful spending of community resources. For many couples, one of their biggest assets is their home and how the equity in the home will be divided. You will need to attempt to work with your spouse to determine whether the house will be sold or if it would be possible for one person to stay in the home and pay the other person their equity portion. Another large asset can be a 401k or other retirement account. Any amounts that were contributed during the marriage are usually community property and will need to be divided. Many times these accounts were started prior to a marriage, and a special process for dividing only the community portion must be completed. This process is called a qualified domestic relations order. The final financial piece that we will discuss today is spousal maintenance. In 2018, the Arizona legislature changed the spousal maintenance statute, making it easier for some spouses to qualify for maintenance. The expanded law allows a spouse that qualifies under one of the following scenarios to make a request for spousal maintenance. The factors are as follows. If a spouse lacks sufficient property to provide for their reasonable needs, if a spouse is unable to be self-sufficient through appropriate employment due to many factors, including how long they've been out of the labor market, whether they're caring for a young child or a child with special needs where it would be inappropriate for them to work at this time, if the marriage was of long duration or the requesting spouse is of an age that would make it difficult for them to obtain employment that meets their reasonable needs, whether a spouse has made a significant financial or other contribution to the education, training, or career advancement of the other spouse, and finally, if one spouse has significantly reduced their income or career opportunities for the benefit of the other spouse. If you are considering a divorce and have financial related questions, please call Arizona Family Law Attorneys for a consultation where we will provide specific information to your situation as well as provide peace of mind, as there is no substitute.